Okay, you're right. Second nth term, what I'm going to do is one where it's not a linear sequence. The numbers don't go up by the same amount every time. So we've got a pattern. It gives us a picture of patterns. First pattern's got 3 dots here, 2 dots there. Second one's got 2 rows of 4 dots and the 2 dots at the top. Third one's got 3 rows of 5 dots and 2 dots at the top. Question A says draw the fourth pattern. Hopefully that's quite straightforward. The 2 dots at the top don't change every time. Then going down here I've got 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. So here I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Then going across I've got 3, 4, 5. So here we're going to have 6 dots going across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Question B says how many dots in the 10th pattern? So the key is to look at the patterns and see what's going on. Okay. Now these 2 dots at the top don't change every time. Okay. There's going to be a fair deal of guessing, but when I do my working out for B, there's going to be a +2 at the end. Okay, I'm going to have to add on those 2 dots. That doesn't depend on the pattern number, there's always going to be 2 dots at the end. Okay, now let's look at the rest. Each time they form a rectangle. The rectangle goes up by the same amount every time in terms of its dimensions, but not by the same number of dots every time because it's growing in 2 dimensions. Okay. So the first one has got 1 dot here and 3 dot there. So that's 3 times 1. The second one's got 2 there and 4 there. Third one's got 3 there and 5 across. And that's got 4 down and 6 across. So hopefully you realise by the time we get to the 10th, we're going to have the 2 dots at the top. Then going down, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So on the 10th, going down, I'm going to have 10 dots. Okay. Now going across, how many dots am I going to have? Well, I've got 3, which is 2 more than 1. 4, which is 2 more than 2. 5, which is 2 more than 3. 6, which is 2 more than 4. So here I'm going to have 2 more than 10, 12. Okay. So how many dots are going to be in that rectangle? It'll be 12 times 10. So I have to do 12 times 10. Actually, I'll write it the other way around for reasons that will become apparent in a minute, hopefully. 10 times 12 plus 2, which gives us 122 dots in the 10th pattern. Okay. C, how many dots in the nth pattern? Well, if I change this from 10 to n, okay, how many dots am I going to have going down? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's for just a pattern number, which is n. I've got n dots going down. Going across, I've always got 2 more than I've got going down, so 2 more than n is n plus 2. So to work out the number of dots in that rectangle, I have to do n times n plus 2, which we write like this, n times n plus 2. And then I have to add on the 2 dots at the top, plus 2. If you want to expand the brackets, you can do. You won't get any marks for it. You can leave it like that, that's fine. If you want to expand it, n times n is n squared. N times 2 is 2n plus for 2. Okay, you can't simplify that, leave it like that. But you would get full marks for n brackets, n plus 2, close brackets, plus 2. That's fine. Okay, stay safe.